I mean, I thought this justified a life update. Everybody meet Cora, Corazon the Raven. She showed up when I was updating Leo's pig pen on Friday the 13th, which was also the day before Callie's 1-year deathversary. I have never befriended a crow or a raven, so this is insanely special. I just also took it as a sign that Callie was just coming back and let me know she was okay. The raven was the first thing that I heard on the property, literally on Callie's death anniversary the next day, and she spent all day with me. What do you want? Oh, okay. I was not expecting you to do that. Here. I'm crying. Hi. I did not. This is not what I expected this morning, sir. Ow, hey, yo, that's a mole. Don't eat that. This is insane. We've learned you're a raven, bud. Yeah. Don't poke my eyeball. Yeah. Put my hand straight out. There you go. I love you, girl. We have another barn friend. Sir, can you not with my Dr. Pepper? What does he want from us? I swear it. What do you want? Can't make this up. It's really annoying that it takes something like this for me to kind of sit back and really adjust my life. And it was just, I don't know, I had to share it. It was just so special. She followed me around the property and she would clean herself and get puffy and cute. And on the last day, the last time I saw her consistently, we started talking to each other. I got you, buddy. What? Okay. What are you trying to tell me? What do you need? Really? What? Tell me. What can I do for you? Okay. Yeah? Okay. Is this what you wanted? Come here. You can have the extra ones. Come here. I can't believe I didn't know this. Oh my God. Stop it right now. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Here you go. Wow, 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 wow. I didn't know we like eggs. Stop it right now. Oh, this is insane. That's what you wanted. What? Oh. I can't. What is happening on this property? I am losing my mind. I'm so happy. Hi, you. I will leave out eggs. I have so many. You can have the eggs. There. Oh my God. Stop it right now. You're kidding. I had no clue. Now I do. Once I realized that Cora was gone, I mean, she came back recently and got an egg for me, but once I realized she wasn't coming back every day, it like tailspin me into depression again. I think like a new low. I know it's because it was also around the time of Callie's passing, so my body's probably just triggered by that. But it just got so bad. Thank God Cody came out and has been helping me get back on track. But like when I tell you life is working against me, it's like, for instance, I've been working on the electrical to the house to really figure out this air condition, like to support this air conditioning system, and finally hired an electrician because we realized like it's going to be impossible for me to find a break in the electrical. Anyways, hired the electrician, the professional comes out and starts an electrical fire. That type of situation. Anyways, so Cody's been here, and then I totally spaced and forgot I had a self-love shoot with my friend India, who is like hands down changed my life over the last couple of days with this new perspective shift. I swear this will all make sense. So when I was talking to India, you know, the last time she saw me, Callie was alive. I was starting, I think, to get anxiety and depression, and I was like recognizing it for the first time. And it's weird and embarrassing, you know, like she comes back and I'm just worse. And she comes back and she's just incredible. And it just gave me this like hope that the hard work is all worth it and that there is a result in the end, because being in the process, at least for me, isn't necessarily fun. However, she flipped the script for me. She told me that how she looked at what she was going through was, number one, she was working out of her mind, and she kind of said like, it seems like you're working out of your mind a lot too. Maybe that's why life is working against you. And I was like, yeah, I get that. And then she's like, when I started working on my heart, a lot of things changed, and I don't know what happened, but it just like shut me down. I was like, what do you mean operate out of your heart? And I think that's like literally the single sentence out of everything she said. She said so many incredible things, but that one thing just made me realize I have been operating out of my mind literally since I've moved here. And that's why it's been so hard. The one thing I did with my heart and mind is moving to the desert. And then once I got here, I just feel like I started running a rat race. We need to thank today's sponsor. We need to especially thank today's sponsor because they are actually helping my mental health and they don't even know. Craftsy. I not only have had a show in the past with them called Ride or Die, DIY, I also have partnered with Craftsy before, and they come in handy, at least for me as of late, to just take my mind elsewhere and develop a new hobby. What is Craftsy exactly? So glad that you asked. It's an online community for creative and like-minded makers where members have access to endless inspiration to either advance their skills or develop new hobbies, which for me, it is on the new hobby side, which is nice because, again, idle hands lead to idle mind, and we just can't be having that lately. So Crafty's been like my therapeutic online corner. I personally am dabbling in the basics of sewing, and they also even have an episode on window treatments, which I am using for the greenhouse that I started a little bit ago. But Crafty is always creating new classes to keep you coming back for more and help you stay inspired. They teach through instructional videos taught by talented and friendly experts. If you guys want to try it for yourself, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the video description will get a full year of their premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. Thank you so much to Craftsy for sponsoring today's episode. Let's get back into overhauling this property. Actually, I didn't even ask myself. India, like at the end of the conversation, looked at me and was like, what does your heart want? And I just stared at her and I was like, this. Like, I forgot that I got this house with community in mind, with creativity in mind. And again, I don't know where I lost it along the way, but like that was a very, not simple, they're both very complex in their own right, but like it actually is very simple to start building something towards that. Good morning. That's what this property is going to be. Like I wanted to host women retreats and like bottle up the magic that just happened with India and I. I think I just needed to make this video more so for me. I needed to give my channel meaning again and purpose and kind of share it with you guys like this. I would like to hold women retreats here. So I'm going to start DIYing the property as such. So we're going to work on what I call the friend zone. For me with the desert, as I've mentioned before, like it is my Western town, right? It is holding my little Western cowgirl heart nice and safe. So I'm not like DIYing anything to be in Vogue or some high-end magazine or whatever. I'm literally DIYing a space to make animals and humans feel safe and coexist in hopefully a new way, because the property is going to be fully animal inclusive. Like you're going to be able to have a buddy wherever you go and it's going to be able to be safe. Well, I think they deserve some of you. Oh, I have hair in my hair. Okay. This property's been through a lot. Some of the humans are in my life still, some are not. Some people I never expected to be in my life are. Some animals that I never expected to be in my life are. And it just feels good to not like admit that I want to share it, but admit that I want to bring more people in on it and then create this space to be that. Does that make sense? What do you think? I love you. You very good boy. Why are you pecking me? What a good boy you are. So yeah, power of paint. It's kind of what's been happening on the friend zone because I like the structure. I like the layout of what's happening here. We just have to make it cute. You'll have to bear with me because I am most definitely balling on a budget. So what you see me using throughout this video is actually free wood from this huge wood pile that I go and grab from time to time. I literally built that entire long fence and tree bench out of it. So I'm just accenting this building with some greens and blues and that natural wood because although the beige and the white looks really clean, it doesn't go with the sunset. It like works against the environment. So the colors you're going to see me use moving forward too, going to be in use in hopes to blend in with the sky.
Oh, that target is so cute.
Sometimes it's almost annoying when the renovations or the project are like reflective of my life. So like revisiting this once again and trying to find new purpose is like, it really does kind of kill me from time to time. But when I get done with the project and I step back and I can actually see the purpose start to take place and I can kind of imagine it a little bit more, it gives me this whole new just wave of motivation. And I don't know, like envisioning workshops and envisioning more animals just makes me feel way less alone. So there's a little rant for you. And to circle back to what I said in the beginning, or really what India said, is working out of my mind. I think that's why all of this has been a little bit hard and now, well, really hard. And then now that I'm just like accepting that I would like my full time to be animals. And so I'm going to DIY as such and bring animals and humans together. It's just, I don't know. It just feels like I can breathe now. It looks so out of place. Jacuzzi, outdoor kitchen, greenhouse, pond, get some ducks. Sounds like a solid plan to me. Per usual, thank you guys for continuing to tune on, and I'm excited to actually get to work. It feels like I know I keep saying that, oh my god. I will see you soon for another DIY.